The McDonald's chicken sandwich, it's a staple, but now there's a McDonald's chicken burger. Imagine one giant dark meat ground chicken on a gourmet bun. Man, each and every time I got a report on one of these McDonald's stories, it's just before lunch. My name is Michael McCrud, and I just came to the conclusion that McDonald's should start paying us because we talk about them a whole lot. Here for you on IO. First off, I want to hear from you guys. When is the last time you went to a McDonald's and what did you order? I'm kind of getting a little confused. Like, why is McDonald's always in the news? Back in the Olympics of Beijing, Usain Bolt, he won 3 medals and he said he was doing it on a diet of nothing but chicken nuggets. Then there was Ronald McDonald. He retired for some time. He was replaced by Happy the little dancing box who creeped everyone out, and then he disappeared. And then the burglar. For a short time, he was like some hipster dude. What is going on with McDonald's being trending news? Seriously, I don't understand what's going on. If you have any idea, let me know down below. So this new chicken burger, it is made of a blend of both dark and white ground chicken that's seasoned with spices like garlic and onion powder, and it can be ordered in 2 varieties, classic with red onions and ranch sauce, and tangy with grilled onions and tangy signature sauce. Now just don't wink at the McDonald's employee when you say signature sauce please, because they might get confused and then it's like, ah! Now each of these sandwiches, they are under 400 calories, so that's pretty good. Also you get a big fat tomato slice and some lettuce, so you're getting your veggies. So this all sounds like good news. What's the catch? Well, this thing sadly is only available right now in Tampa Bay. 202 locations to be exact. There is an owner, Blake Casper. He owns 50 stores himself, and he is the one spearheading the launch of this chicken burger. Now if it is a huge success, people love it, they can't believe how many orders were placed, well, you might see it roll out into a location near you. Let me know if this is something that you would want to get your mouth on. You want to try it? Do you like it? Also, let me know, why is McDonald's always in the news? On top of that, I also have a video on my other channel, Most Amazing Top 5, where I break down the secret items you can order at McDonald's that are off the menu. Yeah, you're definitely going to want to check out some of those things if you're a huge McDonald's fan. And seeing as it's almost lunchtime, I'm one of those people. Alright guys, thanks for checking out InformOverload. My name is Michael McCrud, and other videos around my head, click on one of those. Also hit subscribe, and yeah, I'm going for lunch. I'll see you in the next video.